like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from the United States. I don't know exactly what's in here, but it's a package that was sent by the Fat Hipster. He's one of the moderators on the Ramen Junkies group, and you can check him out. Just type in the Fat Hipster on YouTube. He reviews all sorts of interesting stuff. But yeah, let's crack this open and see what he sent. Oh, the other day he sent me a meal kit that is for if you're in the military. It's called an MRE, Meals Ready to Eat. It had a instant noodle component in it. Well, it wasn't so good, but thank you. That was fun to try out and have a look at. But this is something kind of in a way along the same lines, but I have a feeling this will be a little better. So this is from a company called Trailtopia, and so a lot of people are into camping and hiking, blah, 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 right? Well, one of the cardinal rules of doing that is that you take your trash out with you wherever you go. You leave things cleaner than when you came in. And that's what I'm getting the idea out of these. So this pouch here, you would simply tear this off, pour hot water in there, zip it shut, let it sit. When you're done, you can just put this part that you peeled off in here and fold it up, and then it's not taking up bags or you don't have to have it. I mean, it's like its own self-contained whole meal except for the water. So that's pretty neat. This one is beef stroganoff. I'm fascinated. Beef with mushrooms and vegetables. Okay, now what I gotta see is that sounds like it's got freeze-dried stuff in it. That's what I was thinking, because if you're going to freeze-dry something and then add water to it, it's going to hydrate, no sweat. If you have something that's dehydrated on the other hand, that might not work so well. I'm guessing these guys went with freeze-dried. And finally, chicken with broccoli. Well, thank you very much to the Fat Hipster for sending this along. Yeah, I'll give you my honest opinion on these shortly. Yeah, this sounds really interesting, and yeah, I'll let you know. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.